The London music scene's been great to us. We've been performing around London for a couple of years now, and we always get love, especially around here in Shoreditch.
I'm open to anything, so I'll listen to anything. Hip-hop, a bit of rock, reggae. I love Fela Kuti.
R&B, alternative, Kate Bush, Natasha Khan from Back for Lashes.
Led Zeppelin, Tears for Fears, and then I found my love in hip-hop.
From an Age of Luna live show, you can expect loads of energy. Don't come to stand around, come to dance.
Yeah.
100.
Deeper soul to sweep me.